Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm Marky G. I'm trying to find you on the docket. Is that your full name?
Marcus Gibson, sir. Marcus Gibson.
No, my name's Joseph Grice.
I bet. Mr. Grice, you just got connected to audio. You joined breakout room 7, Mr. Grice. Your attorney is just waiting to see you.
All right.
He'll be able to see you.
That's about it. This is just.
All right. Let's open up this option house.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Crankins presiding. While in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, did you hear that, Mr. Escamilla? Scamilla? All right. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna try to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get out in the order that you came in. So without further ado, let's call the City of Detroit versus Jennifer Giacalone, case number SP 1677541, SP 1677546, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Moss on behalf of the defendant, Jennifer Giacalone, who is also present in our virtual courtroom. Of course, both of us consent to this matter proceeding via Zoom. I did speak with the prosecuting attorney, Your Honor. But first, Ms. Giacalone, would you identify yourself for the court, please? Where'd she go? Well, in any event, Your Honor, I am asking that this matter be put on trial date. I did indicate to Ms. Giacalone as well. I don't see her in our virtual courtroom.
She's in the breakout room.
Oh, okay. There she is.
Ms. Giacalone, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Ms. Giacalone.
Jennifer Giacalone, I'm so sorry, Your Honor.
That's for you. All right. Trial date is going to be June the 16th, 2025 at 8:30, at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Moss and Ms. Giacalone, you have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
Your Honor, have a good day and good morning again to your staff. I appreciate it. Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Clarence LaFord, case number SP 166-37163. Mr. LaFord, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Clarence LaFord, and good morning to you as well, sir.
Morning. You were supposed to pay this $135, weren't you?
Yes, but I did. I was assigned to community service. I completed the community service. I have proof of it, the 6 hours.
Right. Where is that proof? Can we get the proof off the system?
I can show it.
I want to be able to put it in your file.
Okay. Well, I have it on another phone. I can send it to you if some kind of way, but I do have the proof here on another phone.
All right, email that to me. I'll put my email address in the chat.
Okay, great.
Unless Ms. Mathis can pull it up for you.
Okay.
No, type Terrence LaFord. I'll put my email address in the chat.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
All right,
okay.
Let me pause it until I get confirmation, and then you got it? All right, I got confirmation. We appreciate the community service, sir. We're gonna close the matter out for, completing community service.
Okay, and thank you so much, sir, for letting me attend the community service.
Absolutely. There's nothing further about to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you again. Bye-bye.
City of Detroit versus,
You know what something told me to do?
you can hang up.
Okay.
This is City of Detroit versus Sarah Galley. Strike that. This is State of Michigan versus Sarah Galley. Case number SX 449-51611. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rita Silk appear. Oh, I'm sorry. Is Ms. Mason here?
No,
Good morning,
she's
Your Honor.
fine.
Rita Silk appearing on behalf of defendant Ms. Galley.
Okay. Mr. Smith, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Trooper Smith.
I can't hear you.
Trooper Smith.
Michigan State Police and badge number, please.
Trooper Smith, Michigan State Police, badge number 1426.
Good morning to you. Have you worked this out in this Ahsoka?
No, we have not.
No, Your Honor. I would like to get a breakout room with Ms. Mason. I was trying to reach her via phone to get back into the breakout room.
Okay, so she's in the main room now. Second, breakout room 4.
Red hair, kind of, and she was over it.
Hold on.
Judge, can you put the office?
Yes.
Do you want me to go back to 4?
Go back to 4. Let's pass the
Thank
matter. Attorney Lancott there? All right. I didn't see Officer Bell get in. Adrian Bell. Good morning, Officer Bell. All right, on that iPhone, can I get your name, please, on that, with that mask on, ma'am?
Brandy Leslie Sellers.
Leslie Sellers. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ms. Leggett, are you there? This is the City of Detroit versus Tajay Unique Leggett, case number SP 119-74321, SP 130-67751, SP 133-60371, SP 1648134, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 16486-101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Leggett.
Tajay Unique Leggett.
I did call another case into the record. There's an expired plate that went along with the SP 164 case numbers, Mr. Berry. You can get an updated offer from Ms. Leggett. Ms. Leggett, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, join the room, please. All right, this is the past the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Jamal Resner Lavelle Gill. Case number SP 162-41941, SP 168-1525, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Jamal Gill.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gill. P72832. Sorry.
All right, Mr. Gill, today is the date and time set for pretrial. Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Galley. Counselor, as far as your client's as far as your client's presence is concerned, Ms. Galley, I mean, Ms. Saka.
My client waives her appearance. Is that what you were asking me, Your Honor?
Ma'am, you have the full authority to enter any agreement on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I will waive the client's presence. Give me did I pronounce your last name correctly?
My last name is Soka. Her last name is Galley.
Soka, I want it. All right,
Is that
today
right?
is.
Yes, Soka is my
Yes.
last.
Soka. All right, what is gonna be the resolution if you've reached any?
We reached a resolution. We are, the officer and the prosecutor are reducing it to impeding traffic.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
I'm sorry?
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter. I mean, but that stipulation will find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175 is going to be the fine. I'll give you a client until April the 24th to pay that fine, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Trooper,
Thank you, Your Honor.
You be safe out there, Trooper, and have a very good day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a nice day.
Ms. Lawrence, I do see that you sent me documents.
Judge, did you get the offers that our new prosecutor sent over?
Oh, I did. I do have Ms. Lawrence here. Her matter is set for formal hearing.
Yes.
I don't know if Sergeant Knapp is going to show though. But nevertheless, she's sending me valid insurance and valid registration. Ms. Mason. Where did Ms. Mason go? All right, give me a minute. Can we check the Jamal's license, please? Mr. Masserat.
We are ready on all three of my cases.
All three of the cases.
And I believe Mr. Goodwin is at work right now, so we could handle him first.
What?
Okay.
City of Detroit versus strike that, William DeQuan Goodwin, case number SP 164654141. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank Masseria, P87848, on behalf of Mr. Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record.
William DeQuan Goodwin.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for
We're set for a pretrial today, Judge.
What's the resolution?
We're scheduling this for a bench trial.
Trial date, are all of yours gonna be set for bench trials?
Two of them will be. One, I'm requesting an adjournment to get a search warrant.
Trial date 6/16/2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Goodwin, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Could I have that date one more time, Judge?
June 16th at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Dennis James Lowe Jr., case number U7128342. Appearance for the record, please.
Correct, Mr. P87848 on behalf of Mr. Lowe. Mr. Lowe, please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record.
Dennis James Lowe Jr.
All right, day is date time warranty. The day is date and time set for pretrial. What's gonna happen with this one?
Judge, there's a search warrant in this case that was not turned over to the defense. We're requesting an adjournment to have time to get that search warrant to see if there's any valid basis to suppress evidence that's recovered.
Pretrial is going to be 5/3/2025 at 8:30 a.m. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you, Mr. Lowe. Have a very good day.
You too. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Joseph Lee Grice, case number SB 165-30601. Appearance for the record, please.
Correct, Mr. P87848 on behalf of Mr. Grice. Mr. Grice, please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record.
Mr. Grice, unmute yourself. Let me send him the prompt. Send him the prompt if you see him over there. No, he's not even connected to audio. Let's pass the matter. Anyway, the trial date is going to be June 16th at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, best of luck to you. Can you have his number? Can you relay that to him?
Yeah, I've talked to him on the phone already. I can relay that information.
Very well. If there's nothing further, Counselor, best of luck to you and your clients. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well, Judge.
All right. Give me 1 second. This wait till the city attorney comes out of there. This Morris. Cut off for officers, so is did I call City of Detroit versus Paulette Michelle Lawrence, case number SB 1647820, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance, state your name for the record, please.
Paulette Michelle Lawrence.
All right, appearance for the record, Ms. Harris.
Cherika Harris on behalf of the defendant.
All right, today is date and time set for a formal hearing. I don't see Sergeant Knapp. He usually shows, but well, that wouldn't be Sergeant Knapp. That would be Mullen. It's Officer Mullen here. Nevertheless, Ms. Lawrence has provided the court with valid insurance and registration. Is Ms. Mason dismissing for valid documentation, Ms. Harris? Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor. She will dismiss for valid documentation.
Case dismissed, Ms. Lawrence. Provide valid documentation. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Hey, thank you so much.
For Mr. Gill, he has a driver's license, Ms. Harris.
I'm sorry, you said a valid driver's license? Then the recommendation is a dismissal, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jamal Gill. Mr. Gill, we're going to dismiss the cases based on the recommendation for providing valid documentation, sir. If there's nothing further, Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Steve Michael Escamilla. Case number S 1554560, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Escamilla, please state your name for the record.
Unmute yourself, sir. Still here?
Hello,
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Steve Escamilla.
Escamilla.
Yes, sir.
Dave, purposes of arraignment on the warrant, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Guilty plea in the client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Give your client an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, have a conversation with counsel, let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, Mr. Escamilla?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. He's in there, Ms. Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Nelson. Could you send me to a breakout room?
Morning, Chief. I'll put all officers.
Judge, I can put them in the breakout room. Which ones are you using today for officers?
One. One.
Okay, you want me to put them in there?
I got it.
I'm sorry, Judge, what did you say?
I got it. We're just waiting on the city attorney. I mean, we're just waiting on the attorney, so.
Hello.
All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Escamilla. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, trial date, come back on June 17th at 9 a.m., sir. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You as well, sir.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Jared Alexander Graham, case number SP 1396481, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1444929, counts 1 and counts 2. And appearance for the record, please.
Jared Graham. I'm sorry.
Cherica Harris. It's okay. Cherica Harris on behalf of defendant Graham.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. He has 2 other matters that are that I call into the record. He has an improper plate and driving while license suspended. He also has some civil infractions that he didn't pay. A disregard of a red signal, 204, a seatbelt ticket, 126, for no insurance no proof, 336, and a registration, 174. Those are all old matters. Mr. Graham, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, please, and speak to counsel.
Okay, thank you.
How are you? I'm fine. I'm good. I'm glad you're back. Okay. I'll see you later.
Counselor, did you work it out on, are you waiting on the, waiting to see if the officer shows?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke with Miss Mason, Your Honor. We're just waiting to see if the officer on this shows up before 9:30.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Leggett. Ms. Leggett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has valid insurance that she has sent to me. I have it in hand. And if we could, if the court would allow dismissal of the no insurance charges, she could then go get a license and return to the court with license and registration.
Well, she can get a license without that dismissal. I don't see anything here affecting her license.
All right.
If she has insurance, I don't have an issue with dismissing for insurance to provide valid documentation, but that's not affecting her license, though. I just want to make that clear.
Thank you.
And you want a trial date on the rest?
Yes, Your Honor, bench trial date.
Trial date, I'll waive the warrant fee. I'll dismiss SP 119-74321, SP 130-67751, SP 133-60371, and SP 164-8134 for provide valid documentation, SP 164-81341 trial, and SP 164-86101 formal hearing. 6/17 to June 17th at 9 a.m. Ms. Leggett, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Sylvia Marie Fisher, case number SP 6969401. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Fisher.
Sylvia Fisher.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is
Good morning.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Win or not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Fisher, do you have valid insurance, ma'am?
I do, and I had it valid that day.
All right. Do you have proof of it now, ma'am?
Yes, it's on my phone.
All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, see if he can help you out.
Okay.
My email address is in the chat. If he gets you an offer, keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, please. Just pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date.
Okay, pretrial is 5/30/2025 at 8:30. If you don't have any further questions, Mr. Graham, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Lachey Rashawn Landers. Case number is SP 118990911 17336131. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Landers, please state your name for the record.
Laisha Landers.
Laisha Landers, I'm sorry. Good morning to
And
you,
for
ma'am.
purpose,
Good morning.
for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Planner not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Landers, with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Okay, license, Ms. Landers.
Do I be checking? Bro, you see?
All right, are we ready on this?
Your Honor, I'm searching for the prosecutor.
Go and break out one.
He's in one.
See if we can put her in four. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll move Fisher to four. That wasn't supposed to. Go back on the record with Ms. Landers. Ms. Landers, your license is valid. I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee, which is $145 fee. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Carlia Lene Little, sorry. And the state of the city of Detroit versus Carlia Renee Little, case number SP 166962811 166999301. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Little, please state your name for the record.
Carlia Little.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. There was an expired plate that went along with that case. Ms. Little, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes.
And Ms. Little does owe another expired plate, a state case. I believe that's kind of old. Let's see.
Let's go back. See what I said.
That case goes back to 2023. So you're 222 on that, ma'am. I'm gonna put you in the breakout, Ms. Harris. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, for Orozco, Corporal Hayward, good morning to you. The attorney is here. Corporal Bennett, good morning to you. See if you can work it out with and let Miss Mason know that the officer did show up.
Okay.
He's in. I just talked to the officer. He's in there. So You can join one. I guess you can come in there. Good morning to you, Corbett. Morning, Protestant.
Good morning, sir.
The day was up, yeah. Look at that. Okay, because I was looking for your name. Okay, all right. Lindsay, he's from.
Like that.
Go back on the record. Ms. Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a bench trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
June 17th, Ms. Little, at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
This is the city of Detroit versus Tyrone Quintuan Long, case number SP1, corrected, SP 982-503, counts 1, 2, and 3. And 227-377-14, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Aaron Long.
Morning to you, sir. Day of the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 fine. Your client owes $258 on a no insurance civil and an improper display of plate, $180. Mr. Long, those are old tickets. Ms. Long, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, please. Have a conversation. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Fisher. Ms. Fisher, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, this matter is to be dismissed. She's shown insurance valid at the time of the accident or the ticket.
Very well. I'm going to dismiss the case. I'll waive the warrant fee, Ms. Fisher. If it's nothing further, for providing valid documentation. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You as well. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Marcus Gibson X, case number SP 1260805, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1260811. 15-444-6632 and 21-734-5141. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
My name's Marcus Gibson.
All right,
Your Honor.
Turn your camera on, please.
Okay, wait. Is it on?
Take your hat off, please. Take your hat off, please. All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. There is an older ticket of 15-444-6632. It's a no registration. Somehow, I guess back in 15, it looks as if it's a civil infraction, but I think it's a, let me see. Let me check that out. Check that out before I speak.
Judge, Officer Green just called myself.
This call, is it trying to just okay. All right. Let's see here on that 15. I guess that is a civil infraction. So let's strike that from the record. We'll strike that from the record. 15-444-6632.
Thank you, Judge.
So Mr. Berry, you still got to pay it. So, Mr. Berry, give Mr. Gibson an updated offer. Mr. Gibson, Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. Mr. Long, I understand you want an appointment of counsel, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Warranty. All right, Mr. Long, what I'm going to need you to do is answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. That appointed attorney has not contacted you by your next court date. We'll give one appointed to you on the spot. I'm going to give you a pretrial date of May the 30th, 2025 at 8:30. I'm going to give you a trial date of 6/17 at 2025 at 9 a.m. So just come back May the 30th, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. And again, if that appointed attorney doesn't contact you before then, we'll get you to a one on the spot. All right. You have any further questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Officer Mullen, Lawrence has provided valid documentation. The case was dismissed for providing valid documentation. So you be safe out there for the rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Brandy Alexis Leslie Sellers, case number SP1447691, SP162533001, SB 1676057, counts 1, count 2, and 3. SB 1676061. SB 1681874, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1681871. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Leslie Sellers, please state your name for the record.
Brandy Alexis Leslie Sellers.
Officer Green, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Officer Antonio Green, badge 1170, Detroit Police Department.
Corporal Croxton, and he was here. I think he may be in the breakout room. He's here. Hampton. I think Hampton is gone now. I think Hampton is retired. And Ms. Harris. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases, I believe, on the docket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases. Yes, and then I called an extra 1, 2, 3, 4 cases into the record. Those are the cases probably the allegations were made after we set these court dates. One is an expired plate. One is a driving while license suspended, an unregistered, untitled, and a no insurance misdemeanor. So 3 misdemeanors and 1 civil infraction. If it's not, give Ms. Leslie Sellers an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Leslie Sellers, join the breakout room and have a conversation with Ms. Harris, please. What's the gentleman's name? Good morning to you, sir.
Omar.
Yes.
Got his registration from his position, so I can see he has that.
Ms. Ostrowski.
Yes, Your Honor.
It appears that your cases are closed out, dismissed. I don't know what do you have a case number that you can that we can refer to.
Yeah, I was just here to double check because I received a show cause, and then I did check the ROA for SP 166-39051. Saw that future dates were closed, but did not receive any communication to not show up in court. So I just wanted to make sure.
Very good. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Both the cases are dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Bye.
City of Detroit versus Mohammed Omar. Case numbers, good morning to you, sir. Case number SP 1666671, counts 1, 2, and 3. All right, you can go ahead. State your name for the record, Mr. Omar. Mohammed Omar. Today is date time set for pretrial. Miss Mason, Mr. Omar has brought valid documentation and to the court, valid insurance and registration. All right, Mr. Omar, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right? All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date for Mr. Gibson to return his documents.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, sir.
Trial date is going to be June 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Will I get some type of documentation or something to let me know like in the mail or
Should, but
emails?
you need to write it down. Is this Underwood Street address still good with you?
Yes, sir.
All right, it should go there, but I'd write it down 6/17 at 9 a.m. June 17th, 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thanks.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Anthony Dwayne Gates II. Case numbers SP 1665181, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 166984001. SP 166984221. SP 1681807, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1688764. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gates.
Anthony Dwayne Gates II.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
When are not guilty, if you have, give them a $0 bond. See, it's only one matter on the docket. They ain't been ready, Mr. Berry. I can open this with you. Okay. The one, you see the one on the docket. So we have expired plate, and then I don't have any issue with setting these aside. There's no objection from the city. There are recent cases: expired plate, no valid registration, and no insurance proof. He owes $336 on the no insurance proof, $156 on the no valid registration, and $222 on the expired plate. He has another 2 more expired plates, 3 more expired plates, and a no valid registration. So I got expired plate 4 times. I have a no valid registration 1 time. Oh, and strike that, no valid registration twice. Insurance no proof once, and an insurance misdemeanor that's on the docket. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cases into the record. Old cases, he owes failure to stop at a stop sign, 204, another expired plate, 222, and a disregard and a red flasher, 204. Mr. Gates, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room, please. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, those last 3 matters can't be brought out of default.
Not the last 3, they're too old.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Leslie Sellers. Ms. Leslie Sellers, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, why can't we take care of the cases that are here today? Ms. Leslie Sellers has had an opportunity. She's had an opportunity to pay the reinstatement fees up front to get a valid driver's license, and she has not done
Your Honor,
it.
my client does have an upcoming appointment with the Secretary of State. She just started a new job. So we just need an opportunity for her to have her funds together. The prosecution has no objection to resetting these to a pretrial to let her come into compliance.
Well, I think, Ms. Leslie Sellers, didn't we give you an opportunity to pay the $245 reinstatement fees up front the last time?
Yes, sir, but I didn't have a job at the time.
All right, I'm gonna give you one more opportunity, ma'am. Pay these reinstatement fees up front.
Your Honor, she also indicated an upcoming court date. Would her new court date be that same date?
It's gonna be all on one day. All on one day. Everything is gonna be on one day. We're gonna set a pre-trial. We're not gonna set a pre-trial date. We're gonna set another trial date for June the 20th. You gotta come down to the courthouse. There's no better way I can allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front. Come down to the courthouse. I see $90 on 2 reinstatement fees you pay up front. Let them know that this should be in the system. I marked it on the file. June 20th, 2025. Once you pay those reinstatement fees, then you approach the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, ma'am, then you ask them for a printout for everything that's affecting your license. They should be able to do that.
Okay.
Here I see the 2 no insurance proofs. All right, we're gonna set a trial/formal hearing on the matters. Officer Corporal Croxton, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record for Ms. Leslie Sellers?
Good morning, Judge. Corporal Croxton, badge 665, Detroit police officer.
Okay, very good. Have a very good day. June 20th is going to be the new date. Mr. Corporal
What
Croxton,
time?
at 9 a.m., ma'am.
I do have another question. So I have another court date, May the 30th. Is that still on file?
All of them are going to be, if you're in front of me, I don't know if this is May the 30th is supposed to be in front of me, it's all going to be pushed to June 20th.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Best of luck
Judge.
to you. Very good day. Be safe out there, Corporal Croxton and Officer Green.
You as
Thank you, Your
well.
Honor.
You be safe too, Miss Leslie Sellers. All right. That gets me down to Artez Gilbert.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Is it Archez?
Yes, sir, Archez.
Archez Gilbert, sorry about that. All right. City of Detroit versus Archez Jalen Lene Gilbert, case number SP 133539991, SP 1383406, SP 138377702. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gilbert, please state your name.
Hey, my name is Archez Gilbert.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for trial. Officer Thornton, good morning to you. Is he in the room? Probably not. He was here. I do not see him here now. Miss Mason?
Yes, Your Honor.
I do not see your Officer Thornton here. He was here.
He was here, Your Honor. That is correct. Which one are we on, Judge? I'm sorry about that. Which
Mr.
one? Which
Gilbert.
case? Defendant?
Mr. Gilbert.
Yeah, I had Backstresser here and I had Thornton checked in, Your Honor. On Thornton's case, Your Honor.
Archez Gilbert. So it would be only Thornton and ALABD.
Backstresser checked in. Oh, I'm sorry. That's right, Your Honor. You're right. That was the other one. Yeah, so Thornton did check in, Your Honor. And he was placed in the breakout room. And I did speak with him.
All right, what's the offer? He's not here now.
The offer is,
So he did. He did not give an explanation to why he left. He didn't send anything in the chat, so I don't know why he just leaves like that. What was the offer?
Failure to display, and we're dismissing the unregistered untitled, Your Honor. And also on Akram, that would be dismissed as well.
That's dismissed for no officer because I don't see him here.
Correct, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Harris, go in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Gilbert, and let us know what he wants to do when he comes out. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Mason, I think they want to speak to you in four. All right, are we ready on our Orozco?
I have worked this out with Officer Hayward, Your Honor. I just wanted to touch base with Prosecutor Mason to make sure that.
Go back in four.
Okay.
Go back in. Let's go back on. Get up, Mr. Gilbert. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilbert. Ms. Harris, what do you want to do?
Well, Your Honor, I know Ms. Mason is not in the main session, so is there a way for us to get Officer Thornton back, or is he gone for the day?
I don't know. He hasn't sent me a message at all. You can go talk to her in the breakout room.
And also, in the meantime, if the court would, we are respectfully and humbly asking if the court could check the status of his license and give any guidance.
Well, I only can check his license, and Miss Mathis just stepped out for a second. So we'll check his license, and we'll see where it goes from there. But Officer Thornton didn't give any update on where he went, and it doesn't seem like he gave this Mason any update on where he went. So I don't know. We'll check his license.
I will check with her before I make any motions.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Ulysses Orozco, case numbers SP 164-2016, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 164-2023, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Todd Lantot appearing on behalf of Ulysses Orozco on both of these ticket matters.
All right, good morning to you. Hayward, are you there? Morning.
Yes, sir.
Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Corporal Hayward, badge 1004, Detroit Police Department.
Day is date and time set for a formal hearing about purposes of your client's presence, counsel.
Your Honor, I have an authority to enter into a plea on behalf of Mr. Orozco on this matter.
Okay, I'm gonna waive the presence. You indicate to the court you have the authority to enter into any agreement on your client's behalf. What's gonna be the resolution if any?
Your Honor, Mr. Orozco will be pleading responsible to no medical card, and the remaining civil infractions would be dismissed.
And which one is no medical card?
That would be on, let's see.
Seems like all of them have the same thing here. I have SP 1642023 counts 1 and counts 2 as defective equipment. Don't have the other ticket in front of me at all.
I will have it in just a moment. Okay. Your Honor, you have the ticket that has no medical card, or you don't have that ticket?
I don't have it. I don't have the ticket at all.
I'm sorry, if I may speak, Your Honor.
You may.
That would be ticket SP 1642016, and it would be count 3 on that ticket.
It's just listed in the system as motor carrier, $210.
Right, motor. Correct. The violation of motor carrier acts or rules cover several things.
Okay. All right, you okay with that? Is that
Yes.
what the agreement is?
Yes,
And
Your Honor.
dismiss- All right. All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible as charged to SP 1642016 count 3, dismissing the other matters. $210 is the fine. Give your client till April the 24th to pay it. If there's nothing further, Counselor, have a very good day and be safe out there, Mr. Corporal Hayward, and you have a very good day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Hope you and your staff have a great day as well.
Thank you, thank you. All
Always
right.
good to see you.
Take care, Your Honor.
Always. Thank you. All right, take it easy. All right, the license is suspended for Mr. Gibson and Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, after speaking with Ms. Mason and speaking with Mr. Gilbert, it seems he feels he may be able to get his license. So we're just respectfully requesting an opportunity to reset this to a pretrial for him to come into compliance. I don't believe there's any objection to that.
Let's go back on the record with Gilbert. Any objection to that?
For the record, Your Honor, D. Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471, no objection.
We're going to set it for a trial date, 6/20/2025, 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Gilbert, best of luck to you. I dismiss the other case. What kind of question do you need to ask me?
Because I already paid all my tickets. When I tried to get my license at the Secretary of State, they said it was suspended, so I could only get a state ID. And after I paid my tickets and called the Secretary of State again, they told me this case was stopping me from actually getting my license. And I'm just trying to figure out why I can't get it.
SP 138. 34063 is affecting your license. And it appears that you may have paid that. Let's see. Ms. Mathis, can we send a note to the abstract clerk? SP 1383463. Send note to abstract clerk. That's been paid. I don't know why it hasn't. Automatically taken off his license. All right, come back June 20th. We'll send that note to the abstract clerk. Hopefully that gets through there today. Make an appointment.
Okay, so I should be able to get my license today?
Well, I don't know that for sure, but if it hasn't, I wouldn't go today. I'd go tomorrow,
Okay.
maybe. If it doesn't, then come back in here next week. Officer Thornton, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Gilbert?
Yes, sir, Officer Thornton, badge 4846.
All right, we're gonna reset this matter to the 20th of June. He's gonna try to get a valid license.
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you, both of you guys. Be safe and have a very good rest of your day, Mr. Gilbert. If you find that you can't get a license, then you zoom back in next week sometime and let us know so we can see what's going on.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Very welcome. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Lester Odell Lake, the third. Case numbers SP 15339-312, SP 15339-313, U38509-617. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello, my name is Lester Lay.
Good morning to you. Ms. Harris.
Good morning,
Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, I need just a moment, but Sherika Harris, P72832 on behalf of Mr. Lay.
All right, Mr. Lay, give Ms. Harris a moment. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room. Wait on Ms. Harris, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to allow him to enter pleas to one count of no registration and one count of expired plates, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Any objection to setting those civil infractions aside? Was that including the civil infractions?
That was not part of our conversation. Ms. Mason?
Yes, he has a number of civil infractions that were not on the record. They were very close in time. So they were this year, it looks like. So I have no issue with allowing him to be heard on those if you don't have any objection to setting those civil infractions aside.
Less than 1 year, is that what you're saying, Judge? This is the city prosecutor.
Oh yeah, it's this year. It's this year. 166 is the number.
Okay.
So.
What are the charges?
So here are
Okay,
all
give
of
me
them.
the charges, Judge, please.
I think he only had one no insurance misdemeanor on the docket. So it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cases I read into the record. He already owes 204, 222, and 204 on 3 older civil infractions that were not setting aside. So to give you the list from the top is expired plate, civil infraction. No valid registration, civil infraction. Insurance, no proof, civil infraction. He owes the 336 on that. The one on the docket is in no insurance misdemeanor. He has 3 more expired plates and 1 more no valid registration. So that should be a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 cases.
Yeah, for the record, Your Honor, DHEQ Mason 43471. We did give a deal on this one. It was pleading to on the off docket stuff, on the one no registration and 1 expired plate. That would be the deal.
And that'll take care of all the 8 cases. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. That's correct, Your Honor. He has his insurance, so that one is dismissed.
Very good. All right. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
I am responsible for the amended count of, as charged to SB 1681807 2 and SB 1688761. 145 for the expired plates, 130 for the no registration. Must have went up on that. Dismissing the other matters. Then you already owe the 204, 204, and 222. When can you pay? I'm just talking about really the 130, 145, but I'm going to give you 30 days to figure it out. 5/12/2025. Pay the any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Gates. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Your Honor, could you allow for a payment plan?
Yeah, you can automatically get that payment plan. Those are civil infractions, so you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse. I think they want 20% to enter into the payment plan. I'll mark the file anyway. I don't think you'll have any issue without.
I also did have a question though. I wanted to know what got my license suspended.
No insurance is dismissed. Civil infraction at 336 is dismissed. All right.
So can I get my license reinstated?
I don't know. I can't answer that for sure, but I can answer. I can say you'll have clearances here at the 36th District Court. I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
But today, that should go through today. You should be able to potentially get a license. All right.
Okay.
There's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lester Lester Odell Lay the third. I don't know if Ms. Harris is able to speak.
Yeah, I am, Your Honor. We're respectfully requesting a trial date. He does have an appointment to get a license, and there's one matter, the U matter. I believe it's a 2017 case.
All right, the U ticket. All right, trial date is going to be June the 20th, sharp at 9 a.m. June the 20th at 9 a.m. Let me see this other matter.
June the 20th.
Yep.
Okay.
So June the 20th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. You have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Judge. You too.
You're welcome. All right. That seems like